The amazing world of animal adaptations. Hi, I'm Pavati. Welcome to the Serengeti. In this part of Africa, it's warm all year long. During the long, dry season, there is almost no rain, and it can be hard to find water. There are a few trees, but mostly the Serengeti is miles and miles of flat, dry grassland, or savanna. But guess what? The animals in the Serengeti have special body parts that make it easier for them to live and survive in this environment. And each kind of animal finds food in its own way. The special body parts of a living thing and what it does to survive are called adaptations. Let's find out about some of them. Lions. Have you ever wondered what makes lions such great hunters? Well, for one thing, a lion's tan fur is the same color as the savanna grass. Well, this makes a lion very hard to see, so it can sneak up on the animals it's hunting. Lions also have thick pads on their feet. These help lions move without making a sound. Ooh, a lion's mouth is made for catching and eating large prey. Did you know that a lion can open its mouth almost a foot wide before it bites down? And that its fangs can be more than 2 inches long. Wow! All of these body parts, tan fur, padded feet, a large mouth, and long, sharp fangs, are adaptations that help lions live in the Serengeti. One adaptation of lions is very unusual. Lions are the only kind of wildcats that don't live alone. They live together in small groups called prides. Lions in a pride hunt together, and they take turns chasing the animal they're hunting until it gets too tired to keep running. Living in a pride is a great adaptation for the Serengeti because the zebras and gazelles that lions chase have a large open space to try to get away. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are also hunters that have adapted to the savanna. Take a look at their spots. Their spots are a kind of camouflage that keeps them hidden from prey. Cheetahs have great eyesight too. This helps cheetahs notice anything that moves on the savanna as they look for animals to hunt. And the bodies of cheetahs are made for speed, so they can catch animals that run fast like gazelles. And when a cheetah runs, its spine bends in a special way that makes its body spring forward. It can also make sharp turns as it chases prey. Nothing can outrun a cheetah. It's the fastest animal on land. Giraffes. Animals that eat plants have adaptations that help them survive in the savanna too. A giraffe's super long neck allows it to eat leaves that are high up in the tall trees. Giraffes also see really well, partly because they're so tall. Giraffes are often the first animals to see a lion coming, and when that happens, a giraffe stops what it's doing and stares. And then other giraffes will stare in the same direction. Doing this is an adaptation that helps keep giraffes safe. Zebras. To you and me, a zebra may look like a horse with stripes. To a lion, a zebra looks like food. But those stripes sometimes keep a zebra from being a lion's meal. When the zebras go looking for water and fresh grass in the dry season, they move in large groups called herds. Well, scientists are not sure exactly how a zebra's stripes help it to survive, but they have a few ideas. One idea is that a lion may see all the stripes and have a hard time picking out a single zebra to chase. And when a zebra does get chased, it might still run away. It can run in zigzags to confuse the lion. Other zebras may even come to its rescue, kicking at the lion with their hind legs. Zebras' black and white stripes may also keep them from being bitten by horseflies. Horsefly bites hurt and spread germs, but horseflies don't seem to like zebra stripes, so they stay away. That's pretty cool. Zebras have adaptations for eating too. They use their front teeth to cut through tough savanna grass. Then they use their flat back teeth to grind it up. Zebras wear down their teeth from all the grass they chew, but it's not a problem. A zebra's teeth are always growing. Dung beetles. In the Serengeti, even the littlest animals have adaptations, like eating poop. A dung beetle can sense zebra poop or dung from far away. Some kinds of dung beetles dig into the poop with their strong back legs, and then they use their heads and antennae to roll it into a ball. Well, then the beetle digs in, eating as it goes. Dung beetles even get water from dung. That way, they don't have to go looking for water in the dry ground of the Serengeti. All of these animals have adaptations that help them live in the savanna, but that means that they might not do so well in other environments. The tan color that helps a lion hide in savanna grass would make it stand out in ice and snow, and a giraffe's long neck wouldn't be helpful for eating food in a sandy desert where trees don't grow. Imagine if the Serengeti got rain all year long. Well, first, I bet more trees would grow, and then the leaves on the trees would shade the grass from the sun. Well, grass needs sunlight to grow, so more trees might mean less grass. After a while, the Serengeti wouldn't be a savanna anymore. It would be a very different kind of environment. That might be fine for giraffes. They have adaptations for eating tree leaves. But zebras, they would have a lot less grass to eat. They would have to find somewhere else to live. The number of zebras in the Serengeti would get smaller and smaller. And since lions need zebras for food, the number of lions would get smaller too. And without enough zebra poop, dung beetles would also be in trouble. But don't worry, the way it is now, the Serengeti is the perfect place for these animals to survive, thanks to their amazing adaptations.